You see old prison Mike over here? Now it's Shia LaBeouf screaming at us. Now it's Hollow Knight. Now it's my face. And on my Twitch stream, chat can control this thing with channel points, commands in the chat, or I can do it on my stream deck. Let me show you how. Hi, my name's Pastor Dustin. I stream on Twitch 1 to 5 every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And one of my favorite things about streaming is making fun, interactive, engaging ways for chat to engage live with the stream. One of my chat's favorite things to do is play with this little poster behind me. So basically the way that I'm pulling this off is I have two instances of my camera. I use source mirrors with the StreamFX OBS plugin. Link for that down in the description below. The second instance of my camera has a chroma key filter applied to just that instance. So that my main one doesn't have any kind of green screen stuff going on, but just this little bitty section back there is just a green screen on my iPad. Look, I'll show you. See, that's it. It's just, well, that's a picture of my fish. It's just a green screen. That's it. But because there's that second instance of the source, if I move the iPad in front of that section, watch, you'll see the poster show up because it's just this little section. And so all I do is put the iPad in that spot, activate the second instance of my camera, turn on the images, and we're good to go. But it's a great way to increase engagement in the stream. It gives the chat something fun to play with, and I kind of do a fun thing with it where I don't even tell them what the posters are. I have 22 total, and they've had to guess all of them, so they've guessed 20 out of the 22 right now. If you'd like to stop by the Twitch stream and check it out for yourself, you can come to twitch.tv/PastorDustin. I stream 1 to 5 every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. I've also got a lot of other cool things that I do on my stream. I've got big brain stuff going. I can freeze the camera. There's lots of memes going on. We've got instant replays, just lots of fun, cool things to do. So I'd love to see you in the stream, and why don't you tell me in the comments something fun that you have on your stream? I'd love to see you there. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.